All right, well, we have a small little side project. This video is going to come out probably right before Christmas or so, but we have to make a Christmas present. If some of you all have seen a previous video posted, I don't know, probably months or so ago, but it was a 3D sculpture of the flag raising at Iwo Jima. If you look at it straight on, it's what it looks like. If you're off to the side or not straight on, it's just abstract art or anything like that. So we're going to try to do that with last name, or the first letter of the last name. I'll show you how that's set up and see how quick we can do this kind of thing. So here's our makeshift stand, and we're going to be making the letter R. And then we have our peephole through here, and then that's our base plate there that we'll build off of. But we're going to line up each time to here, and we'll kind of get it like right in there. And then we're going to kind of base our letters and pieces of metal off of that and tack weld it on. And then when we look at it straight on, it's going to look like that. And when we're off to the side, it's going to be all over the place. So let's see what we can do. All right, so this kind of give you an idea of what we're trying to do here. Just some simple shapes. And once we line it up, then line it through here. Our outline. So that'll be our nice solid base at the back, but we'll start overlapping and coming out the forefront. That'll give us a nice solid straight spot to start. I'm not going to show you every one of these. I'll just show you kind of periodically. Well, you can see we got a few pieces in here. We're going to get them tacked, adjust and look and see. So we get these magnets out of the way, and we can start adding some more pieces into it. Look at this real quick. Oh, jeez, that's a strong magnet. All right, let me line up real good. Check. We'll try to. Let's see if we can. Whoa. Come on, focus. There. Ah, dang it. Oh, you get the idea. All right, we got a few more pieces put in here. Let's see what we got. Quite abstract, that is for sure. But then let's see what we got here. So we're getting pretty close to it. We got a few little pieces, but you get the idea. All right, so you can see it doesn't look like much. It's a bunch of pieces. We obviously still need to clean up the welds so we can prep it so we can paint it. But once we get to a certain spot on it, there we go. Oh, wait, there it is. So we'll get her cleaned up, and then we'll show you finished product. So we got it painted, and on the little support stands underneath.